7.3, divide a quantity into a given ratio. So it is possible to divide an amount or quantity into a particular ratio. For example, we could divide £100 in the ratio of 7 to 3. So the steps are we calculate the total number of parts. So in this case, if in this case being 7 to 3, that means that there are 10 parts. Then we divide the total number, or divide by the total number of parts. So that's going to be £100 divided by 10, which is going to give £10. Multiply this answer as required. So if we've got 7 parts, we're going to do 7 multiplied by £10, and that's going to be £70. Or we'll do 3 times £10, which is £30. And then we can check our answer. So our two values, so 70 and 30, they add together to give £100, which is what we started with. So that looks like it's pretty good. So example 1, divide £60 between Sarah and John in the ratio of 5 to 7. So the first step is to calculate the total number of parts. So we've got 5 to 7. That's going to be 5 plus 7, which is 12 parts. Then we divide by the total number of parts. So that's going to be 60 divided by 12, which gives us 5. So Sarah had 5 parts. So that's going to be 5 times our £5, which gives us £25. And John, well, he was 7 parts, so that's 7 lots of £5, which is £35. And as a check, if we did 25 plus 35, the answer was 60. So it looks like we're pretty good there. Example 2 then, divide £78 in the ratio 3 to 2 to 1. So the first step is to calculate the total number of parts. So that's going to be 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 parts. Then we divide by the total number of parts. So we're going to do 78 divided by 6. So let's do that. 78 divided by 6. 6 into 7 goes once, with 1 left over. 6 into 18 goes 13. So that's £13. And then we need to find 3 parts, 2 parts, and 1 part. Well, this is already 1 part, so we've done that bit. 2 parts is going to be 2 multiplied by 13, which is 26. And 3 parts will be 3 times 13, which is 39. So the answer then to divide 78 into 3 to 2 to 1 is going to be 39 parts, or £39 to £26 to £13. And if we add those together to get as a check, so 39 plus 26 plus 13. Now 26 and 13 add together to give 39. So if we add 39 twice, we get 78. So again, that matches up with the original amount. So it looks like we're good there. And then example 3. So find the size of the angles A, B, and C if the ratio is 5 to 3 to 1. So the first thing we need to do is find the total of the parts. So 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9 parts altogether. We need to find the size of each angle. So what we've got is that A and B and C all lie in a straight line, so their total is 180 degrees. So we need to divide by the number of parts. So we're going to do 180 divided by 9, which is 20 degrees. And then we need to work out the value of each. So C is 1 part, and we know that 1 part is 20 degrees. B is 3 parts, so to work that out, we're going to do 3 times 20, which is 60 degrees. And then A is 5 parts, so we'll do 5 times 20, which is 100 degrees. And as a check, we can add those values up. So 100 plus 60 is 160, plus 20 is our 180. And that matches up with the total number of degrees in a straight line. So now you'll be able to do exercise 5D on page 96 if you're working with the old books, or 5C on 97 if you're working with the new ones.